If you own a t-shirt business, I'm going to show you a way to track your inventory, your orders, your income and expenses, and more. This sheet is available on my website at savvyandthriving.com, and I'm going to show you how it works. So it's available in Google Sheets and Excel. We are on the dashboard portion right now. So this is going to track your total number of orders you have, your total revenue, your net profit. We can just write our to-do here. And then it's going to show you how many orders are brand new, in progress, ready to ship, shipped, and delivered. It's going to show you the percentage also of your orders, and then how many orders are in pending. Everything from the order tracker here is going to feed into your dashboard. So we can do a sample. So we can put in the date of the order, the category, the type of shirt. Let's say it's women's. Choose from the drop-down box, the size, the color, if this is clearance or sold out, how many sold, your cost, and then the sales price per shirt. If there's a discount, any fees associated with it, your shipping cost, and then your net profit for that order. This will show you how many items have sold completely, and then we can see the status of the order. Is this new or shipped? You can put your customer's name, their address, email, how you shipped it, the tracking number, the ship date, and arrival date. If you wanted to change any of the categories, you can just click the drop-down box, choose the edit button, and then you can choose to add another item. And then you can hit done, apply to all, and this will also show up in there as well now. Next is your inventory tracker. So this will show you the items that you have in stock. So say we're going to come in and choose the category, the type of shirt, the size, the color, how many do you have, your cost, the sales price, and then the total value, the SKU number, and then what vendor you got your basic shirt from. So this will calculate your total value of your inventory, which is perfect to give to your tax accountant during tax season. This is a great price list you can edit, print out, and send to your customers. So we'll put in the item name, the description, the price. Next is your order form. This is great. If you have a large order, you can put the order number, you can choose the date, your client's name, address, email, and phone, and then you can put in the item, the quantity, the price, and then it'll give the total. This will do tax. If there's a delivery or shipping fee, you can change that as well, and it will give a grand total. If there's a delivery date, location, and time, you can put that. If you don't, you can just highlight that and delete that out. Here you can put, your store name, your address, phone, and website on here. If you don't want to do that, you can also import in your logo here in this section. This is your bookkeeping dashboard. This will tell you your income and expenses for the year. In this chart, you can see that if you click on each individual month, you can see how much income you made. Over here on the right, it will show you your expenses by month. You can put in your profit goal, and then here it will show you your income, expenses, tax, and net profit per month. If this happens not to be 2026, that's an easy fix. We can come up to the FX section, which is your formula section, put in the correct year, and it will change everything all the way down. This is your income and expense tracker. So everything that we put in on this sheet will transfer over to our dashboard. So we can do a sample here, and we'll put in the date, the type, choose from the drop-down income and expense, the title, the description, the income, how much you spent, and then the taxes, and then it will give you your net profit. It will also tell you your annual total income, expense, tax, and net profit for the year at the top. Let me know if you have any questions. Again, it's available at savvyandthriving.com. It's available in Google Sheets and Excel, and it's the T-shirt business planner bundle. Let me know if you have any questions, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.